This round layering technique is a great way to create a short haircut whilst at the same time maintaining femininity. Texture is created through the internal area of the cut, and around the perimeter, weight is eliminated but softness retained. The style is finished with personalisation before adding final products to accentuate separation and texture.
Apply TIGI Copyright Volume Lift Styling Spray as a cutting lotion. To begin the cut, take a profile parting, then take a slight diagonal back section from the occipital bone, working upwards to the mid-recession point. Starting at the center of the nape, comb the hair to its natural fall and point cut parallel to the parting at an elevation of 1 finger's depth. Cross-check before proceeding. Take a profile section from the forehead to the nape to establish the layering guide. Starting just behind the fringe, comb and elevate the hair 90 degrees to the head and point cut following the head shape. Below the crown, continue working with the same technique down to the perimeter length at the occipital bone. Take a center parting, then a radial division from ear to ear across the crown. Continue the layering process with pivoting sections from the center back toward the ears. Comb and elevate each section 90 degrees to the head and point cut following the head shape. Note the change of hand and body position and repeat the technique on the opposite side. Continue with pivoting radial sections from the ear forwards until the center parting is reached. Comb and elevate each section 90 degrees to the head and point cut following the guide from the back. For a balanced result, work consistently on both sides of the head. Blow dry the hair flat with a TIGI small paddle brush. Detail the fringe in the perimeter with parallel point cutting in the comb. To add texture and separation to the finished look, apply TIGI Copyright Creamy Finishing Wax.
Oh.